Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to break the ring in WWE 2K22. So here is my tips. So for that, right, you need to select one-on-one and then choose extreme rules. Here we need to choose heavyweight champions. Okay, example, here we need to choose, press R1 to select only heavyweight champions. So these are the heavyweight champions. So I'm going to choose Batista. The opponent should be super heavyweight champions. Example, here I'm pressing R1. You need to select super heavyweight champions. So if you choose Andre the Giant or Big Boss or Braun Strowman, Diesel, Ivor, Kane, and Keith Lee, Kevin Nash, if you're choosing these opponent, right, you can easily break the ring. But if you choose Andre the Giant, Big Boss Man, or Braun Strowman, you can easily break the ring. So I'm going to choose Andre the Giant, confirm, and you can choose the arena. Any arena you can break the ring, but I'm going to choose TLC. Okay, then start the match. I'm going to turn off the entrance and starting the match. Any simple damage right after that you can break the ring. So for example, there is no damage on Andre the Giant. It can be yellow on head or even any part of this body. And the Giant is very strong. Okay, now it got damaged on the head, so I'm going to lift him and I'm going to put him in the corner. I have to make him into the turnbuckle. If the referee is getting down right, then we are going to break the ring. See this? Suplex should be performed. That's it. Super cool.
Do it. Not getting up from that one, so it's called.
Okay, that's it, friends. Is the way you can break the ring in WWE 2K22.
Up on the turnbuckle now. Oh, that's a lot of weight on the top rope right now. These two behemoths. No way. No, you can't do this. Oh, an explosion. The big red machine on the top rope right now. These two behemoths. No way. No, you can't do this. Oh, an explosion. He's on his heels a bit now.